Original mango pizza, double 9 each. And Kobe, what do you want to eat? The pizza, mango pizza. Yes. Oh, then let's order the pizza.
I want the pizza.
Original mango pizza, 390, double or the 12-inch 480. I do not know.
I think you better do the 14.
Huh?
14
Ilan eh? Or 12? 12-inch family original. Okay.
Pit stop special. What is this pit stop special?
Yeah. Let's ask. From here, I can see the thick mango slice. Oh, try Kobe. Want some ketchup? And their ketchup is also a sweet blend. See?
So everything's sweet.
I do not know what is this. Maybe it's a chili. Try, guys.
The smell is also nice.
Yeah, get me some slices. Thank you. Yeah, you can see there's a layer of mango here. Yeah, let's try mango pizza.
But most of that you can describe.
Or you can make it as a stand. Okay, let me try. How's the crust? 3M. Oh, like a bread type. This is the crust.
Kaya mag-close up na may ganun pa.
It's like something is missing that you need to put something. It's like some chili sauce or what. Yeah, the bread is nice. It's not that sweet. So let me try if this is a chili sauce. Then layer, mango layer. Very hot.
And that's the chili sauce?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I think you need to put something
A bit
to blend it.
Yeah, that's why they give you this. What?
Maybe I can try also that Del Monte sweet. Because it's not that sweet.
Want to put stand here? Want to stand or do you need?
Yeah. I think it's enough.
Enough.
Let me concentrate in eating. Once it's overload. There's no mango in it. But it's one of their best sellers as well. With the heart, right? I think there's a sausage, local sausage. There's a local sausage, there's a mushroom, there's a cheese, minced meat, the sauce, the green bell pepper, onion, and of course the cheese. There's also a mushroom. Okay, finish it.
Sorry. Kasi. Oo nga, no? Oo. Ang lahi, no? Oh, wow.
It's a spring, could be. Yeah. Oo nga. Meron pa ng holy water eh. Hindi ko nakita kanina. Let's go, Kabi. Let's buy some stuff also. You're tired? Oh, do you have a dog, Kabi? What dog is that? Is that a corgi? It's a hot dog. Okay, Korea. Come. Yes.
Center.
Yeah, you're in center.
Okay.
go. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson. fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend of me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Now the rain already what? Slowly. Singapore is British, right? Yeah. Yan yung yeah.
I have nothing in my pocket. Picture ako kayo. Yan kayo. Yan lang. Dito na ma'am. So magandang pushing sana nakaupo pero tayo na lang.
Ulan.
Give me that. Okay. Thank you. Yan.
Yan okay. Just have to take pictures since we got fly drone.
Find the wall.
Go here, go. That side.
Okay. It's okay. 1, 2, 3.
Wall. This is the wall picture, Gobi. The wall picture style.
Put one side, other side.
Oh, swap, mom, swap. Okay. Wall.
Doesn't look nice when you step out though.
Okay, sa labas na ma'am, sa labas. Diri lang agi ma'am. Dito daan sir para mabasa.
Saan?
Go. That's right.
rise and shine. With gratitude, this life is mine. With gratitude, this life is mine. Through every trial, every tear.
Kainin na niya. Sige, pwede.
Gumagawa nito.
Pwede din kainin niya mamaya. Oo.
Kaya rin gawa. 250 po. Pero dito rin ba? Opo. Tulad 250 tsaka pag-usap.
Sige.
Meron nga ako rin.
Kaya.
Yung 5 plus 1 namin nag-keep
Kamayang gabi?
ayaw.
Kakainin na namin mamayang gabi. Yung luto na, ma'am. Ay, ayan, pwede mo kainin na yan, ano? Magkano ang kilo? 220. 220. Mga ilang mangga isang kilo niya?
Tatlo?
Tatlo?
Kasi malalaki.
Tatlo, okay na, no? O kasi kami na ng mga kain.
Malaki-laki din.
Sige. 1 kilo lang para ano, makain na kayo mamaya. Mango. Gusto mo magdala niyan?
Kung gusto mo nag-carton kami na 3 kilos.
3 kg, bigat na nun. Ayan. Yung bigat na yung paano mo gagawin. Oo. Ha?
Ano po kayo magbabayad, sir, ng share?
Ah, sige. Ano pa yan? Nako. Ha?
Saan yung talagyan natin ito ha?
Graham ba? Or?
Wala na lang. Condensed na or mango?
Condense na lang, tsaka mango.
Mango toppings lang.
Mango toppings lang. Share na lang tayo. Share muna natin. Naku, wala akong 100 pen dito. Puro wala yan. Isang dan. $10 ba to? 110?
120.
120 pala mo. 120.
20 ako dito. Ano mo sa siya? Mix mo sa kasi.
May gulay.
Gatas mo na.
Sarap. Sarap.
Bak ba nilagay yung condensed?
Hindi ko alam. Try mo muna.
Hello, ito yung ano.
Mango shake from Guimaras. Sarap.
Okay lang yung tabi, sir.
Okay yun. Okay na. Share na lang tayo.
Brave breeze.
Thank you, sir.
Picture daw siya, no? Picture. Magano siya? Okay, picture daw dali.
Dito. Tayo. Sige na. Akyat ka.
Nako. Tatlo. MB Jordan. Carrington. Ito. Okay. Kaya again.
Saan ba tayo Okay.
Okay, I think ito. Picture mo lang kami dito. Hindi pa kami makapapicture dito. Come on. Come. Take a picture. I'll take a picture of Mom first.
Just
Not far away.
30 minutes. Okay.
Tayo naman, Ma'am. Paano niya ba inaano yun? Parang...
Baliktad.
No, they also have the what eh. Ay, hindi makita. Sorry, Ma'am. Because it's white. Okay. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Go. You know. Diyan yan. Tatlo. Go. Ha? What? My aircon is not available, the aircon. What? Taxi.